Have you ever had trouble displaying all the contents in merged cells in Excel? Manual adjustment can be tedious and time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to use VBA code to automatically fit the row height for merged cells, ensuring your data is always visible. Step 1. Let's start by opening the VBA editor. Press Alt F11 on your keyboard to bring up the Visual Basic for Applications window. This is where we will write our custom VBA code. Step 2. In the VBA editor, click Insert and then select Module. This will create a new module where we will paste our VBA script. Step 3 now. Copy and paste this VBA code into the module window. This code automatically adjusts the row height of merged cells based on their content. It handles specific ranges such as a 1B2, C4D6, and E1E3. You can customize these ranges as needed. Step 4. The code is set to work with Sheet 4. If you're using a different worksheet, replace Sheet 4 with the name of your current sheet. You can also adjust the ranges to include any merged cells that need auto-fitting. Step 5. Once you've customized the code, press F5 or click Run to execute it. You'll see that the row height of your merged cells has been automatically adjusted to fit the content. Step 6. Add more merged ranges. Scene 7. Show how to add more call autofit merged cells lines for other ranges. Step 6. If you have additional merged cells to autofit, you can simply add more call autofit merged cells lines and specify the appropriate ranges. And that's it. You've successfully automated the process of adjusting row heights for merged cells in Excel using VBA. This method will save you time and ensure your content is always fully visible. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.